What is going on, everyone? Welcome back to the channel. So today we're going to be making a very short video and showing you guys on the 2022 Pathfinder how to replace the cabin air filter. Now, a lot of people always basically never think about their cabin air filter. Some cars actually don't have them. Anything that's like a Versa or smaller cars usually don't have them. And back in the day, they definitely didn't have these. But a lot of manufacturers have started adding these filters into their HVAC systems, pretty much your AC heating systems. And it works kind of like a furnace filter at home. It filters out pretty much any pollutants that may be coming into the air, especially if you have allergies or kids with asthma and allergies, or again, you have allergies yourself. This helps a great deal. And there's a lot of various filters out there. There's filter from $5, $6 you could buy on like Amazon to filters that are about 20, 30 bucks you could actually purchase. And yes, they do matter which filter you put in them. Don't just go and buy a cheap secondary filter. Normally, I recommend whatever the manufacturer has. There are some better quality ones as well out there that filter out a lot more. Again, it just works like a furnace filter at home. If you've ever been to a Home Depot or even shop for your own filter at home, you understand when you go into the section of all the filters, it gives you different steps and what they actually filter out. And some filter out smokes, smells, things like that. The best one that I've found so far for the 2022 Pathfinder is the factory filter. Now, this filter could go for about $24 if we go to Nissan and pick it up from them. You may be able to find that a little bit cheaper online. I will put a link in the description for the Amazon for the actual part number for this filter, so you guys can take a look at that and go ahead and use the link to buy the filter. But with enough being said, this is not a hard job whatsoever. You only need one tool, and that is a set of pliers. Now, you got to be easy with it, of course. You can tape off the front of the pliers with some electrical tape just to give it so it doesn't damage the little plastic clip we're going to be removing. But if you know what you're doing, it's not necessary. And it's an area in the vehicle that you probably won't see. So let's go ahead and get started. And I'm going to show you guys how to get access to the cabin filter. Now, on my specific car, just so you guys know, I will not be replacing it. I'm only at about, like I said, close to 6,000 miles on the car. And I'm actually gonna be doing an oil change video next, which is kind of backwards. Your filter should be changed at about 15,000 and your oil change should be changed at about, 10,000 according to the Nissan. But again, I'm doing things a little bit early, but I'm not replacing the filter. I'm just showing people how to access it. I've noticed some people out there, especially in the Facebook forum, they are getting to that point where they're hitting those 10, 11, 12,000 miles. And you're gonna need this filter, especially if you're doing traveling, especially coming into the summer months. Anyways, enough talking. Let's go ahead and take a look at how to remove this filter. So the cabin filter is located behind the glove box. Now, where it goes without saying, first thing you're gonna wanna have to do is go ahead and open the glove box. Remove everything from inside the glove box and set it to the side. And now on the right side of the glove box, you're gonna see a very small, it looks like a flathead clip. I don't even know what to call it, but it looks like a flathead screwdriver goes in it, but it doesn't. This is what we're gonna do with this piece. So you're gonna take your little pliers. You're gonna go ahead and squeeze the bottom piece right here. And then with the other finger, you're gonna push out. That part should pop right out just like that. Once you get access and this is out, just make sure that this piece does not get shoved inside there, because it will go inside. And of course, then you gotta kind of fish it out of there. No big deal if it does. Again, it's easy to get out. You just gotta kind of fish it out. Just take a little bit more time, but just try to make sure it doesn't get pushed in. Go ahead and grab this side of the glove box and the opposite side and squeeze the sides in. And the whole glove box drops right down. So once the glove box is down, all you're gonna do is you're gonna locate this white housing, filters right here. Gonna push this clip in towards the driver's side and pull that plastic piece out. And there is the filter. Reach in there, pull the filter right out, and there you have it. Now, it is getting actually a little bit dirty for 5,000 miles. This is what a clean filter should look like, kind of. And this is what it's starting to look like. And you can see 5,000 miles in. Yeah, I might actually have to replace this 5,000 miles in. But since I'm not replacing it quite yet and I didn't buy one, I'm just showing you guys how to access it. So I'm gonna put the same filter right back on. To put it back on, make sure that the arrow is pointing down. This is the airflow. Right inside, just like that. Take your cover, slide, there's a clip right there. Slide that into the small slot into the door. You'll hear it snap in. you're done. And to basically put the glove box back on, just raise the glove box. You can just push it on. You'll hear the snap. Bring the tool clip back down. And pop it right in until it snaps into place. All right, everyone, so that's it. That's that simple to replace the filters on these vehicles. Not very hard whatsoever. Easy to do, a 5-minute project at that. Probably a 5-minute video, but probably less than a 5-minute project. Honestly, it's simple to do in these cars, nothing crazy. Get you the best filter, do not buy cheap filters. Again, I'm not sure what's out there aftermarket-wise. I think K&N might have a cabin filter. I don't know if they have an actual engine air filter yet for this vehicle, which I will be replacing at some point with a K&N. But for now, that is it. It's a simple 5-minute project. Will not take you more than a few minutes to do. You can actually do it on the go if you want. If you're going on a trip and you forget to do it, stop by the parts store, have them use a tool, pop that out. Quick, easy, simple. So I hope you guys did like the video, and I hope you found the video useful. If you did, hit that thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. It doesn't take you more than a little click down there. And I'll see you guys on my next video. Peace.